What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, is the 13th day of our Clickbank Make Money Online Challenge, where we are trying to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch without having to spend any money in adverts or spending money in any paid tools, for example software, ClickFunnels, etc. We're using only 100% free traffic and we're trying to make money in 30 days. So today is the 13th day, so it's remaining a few days before this challenge ends, and hopefully we are going to make money by the end of this challenge. So what I'm doing is I'm creating social media accounts on Pinterest, Instagram, as I showed you guys in the previous videos, to try and make money for 100% free. So right here today I've been a lot busy, so I've not done a lot on those different social media accounts, and you can go and check them. You're going to see I've not done a lot on those different social media accounts because I've been a lot busy today. So what I'm going to do from here is that we're just going to check inside our Clickbank accounts and just see the updates of what has been happening inside our Clickbank account, if you actually made any sale or if you're still getting clicks, because today I've not actually been able to do a lot on those social media accounts because I've been a lot busy as of today. But tomorrow I'm going to be putting a lot more work back, as we are going to be trying as much as possible to make money by the end of these 30 days right here, and a few days are remaining for us to try and make money in this 30 days Clickbank challenge from using 100% free traffic and also starting from scratch. So firstly, we are going to go right here to our dashboard. So let me click and go to our dashboard, and let's see if we actually made any money from here. So you can see from our dashboard from here we have not made any money, and this is also very normal. So we are going to put in the work. We are going to continue growing our social media accounts, and we're going to hopefully make money by the 30th day of this particular challenge right here, using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. So you can see from here that we have not made any sale, and our main goal right now is to make sale, but our main goal to make a sale is to get as much traffic as possible. So right now we're going to go to our reporting and see if we are still getting some traffic from these different social media channels, as I've not been able to do a lot of work on my social media accounts as of today. So let's go right here to the reporting and see if you are still getting any clicks or you are getting any traffic from there. So let's check right here. So you can see from here that as of today we have gotten 2 clicks right here. So 2 people have clicked over to our affiliate offer right here, and I've actually not been working on this social media accounts today because I've been busy with a lot of other stuff. But you can see that we are still getting clicks from here, and hopefully by the end of the day we are still going to get more clicks than this, and hopefully we are going to make sales as well. So let's check yesterday and let's see by the end of yesterday how much clicks we actually got to our Clickbank accounts. So let me wait for this to load. I can see from here that yesterday we actually got up to 6 clicks from people clicking from our different social media accounts back to our affiliate offer. So this is very good. So what I'm going to be doing as from tomorrow is that I'm going to create a lot more accounts. I'm going to post a lot more content so that we can get as much traffic as possible, so that we are going to at least make our first sale by the end of this 30 days challenge using 100% free traffic and also starting from scratch. So right here, just let me show you guys, for example, the TikTok account. So the TikTok account right here, and these videos are posted from here. I've just posted these videos less than 30 minutes ago because I was a lot more busy today, so I was not able to work on most of these social media accounts by posting different contents right here. So you can see I've just posted these contents right here just a few minutes. If I click upon this one, for example, you can see from here that I just posted this 28 minutes ago, and you can see this particular video has gotten already up to 26 likes right here, and it's gotten up to around 400 views. So let me see right here, it's gotten a lot of views. So you can see from here it's already gotten up to 400 views right here. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be looking for similar content just like this one, and I'm going to be posting on this account, and hopefully we're going to keep getting more views from this and also keep getting clicks, and hopefully we're going to make our first sale by the end of this challenge. So I just wanted to show you guys updates, so there's no need for me showing you guys, for example, the TikTok and the Pinterest accounts, because I've not actually done anything much on those accounts as of today. You can see that we're still getting clicks because we have already created our social media accounts. So our posts that we posted on all other days, they're still getting impressions and still getting clicks. That's why we are still getting clicks inside our Clickbank account. So that's, guys, so I'm going to update you guys tomorrow of what I'm going to be doing, and we're going to be putting a lot more effort so that we're going to get at least 10 plus clicks every single day, so that we can go and make our first sale before the end of this 30 days using 100% free traffic. So that's guys, so if you like this video or you like this challenge, be sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe, because after this challenge I'm going to be doing a lot of different challenges, and I'm going to be documenting it all on this channel, so that you can go and see exactly what is going on behind the scenes. And I'm also going to show you the free methods and also the paid methods, and we're going to experiment, and we're going to see if we're going to make money by the end of those different challenges. So that's guys, leave a like and share the video, and I'm going to see you tomorrow, as I'm going to be sharing the next update of what is going on in our account, and hopefully we're going to at least make some sales or get some huge amount of traffic. So that's guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.